Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with modded Minecraft. To do this we're going to be using Prism Launcher. You're first going to be downloading it on your selected system. It works on Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm going to be downloading it right now on Linux in a virtual machine and I'm going to be showing you that. But basically guys, I want to press install and then you're going to end up in the next stage. You're gonna be greeted in this screen. Just wanna go continue. You can here adjust your theme. It's dark. Once you reach this point, you wanna click the link. This is to add your Microsoft account. This part I've found that you might need to do it actually like 2 or 3 times. Sometimes it gets reset and doing some issues. I'm now gonna enter my credentials. You just want to sign in. Yep, you can close this tab already. Now that you've finished installing Prism Launcher, you can start setting it up properly. I will now move to my main PC and show everything there. Okay, now that we're back on my main computer, I can show you guys some of the settings and some of the features that Prism has. First of all, you should guys go to settings, you should go to Java, and you should adjust the max memory usage to 8 or 16 or something higher. That's how much memory your Minecraft instance is using. You can go here to your account and manage your account, and sometimes your account gets disconnected, so you guys can press add Microsoft and do the whole first step in the beginning. Sometimes it wouldn't show you in the beginning, you will just see your icon grayed out. That means you got disconnected, so you guys have to re-add yourself. But you can add secondary accounts if you have multiple users on the same computer, or if you just have a secondary account. You can even manage your screen. You can adjust your cape and play around with that. You have this button, which is a very important button. It calls a cat. You guys have this button to update Prism Launcher if it needs any updates. There's a help button. This is the most important button, add instance. This is where you add instances of the game. If you just want to launch Minecraft vanilla without any mods, you can just go here and press OK, and then there we go, you got vanilla Minecraft and you can launch it and it should work as a vanilla Minecraft. But let's say you want to play modded, you can now have another instance. And by the way, look here, I created a group named tutorial, so just so you know, you can create a different group, maybe tutorial 2, and then I have 2 instances, a way to categorize your instances. You can, once you have your instance, you can press edit and then edit the instance and play around with that. You can go to settings, you can go to Java. Let's say I want this instance to use less RAM. I don't want it to use 16, I want it to use 8 gigabytes of RAM. I can do that. You can manually edit the Java, so it will be your preferred Java if there's something wrong, or if you're using different special version or something like that. But let's show you how to add modpacks. In order to add modpacks, you guys wanna go to either ATA launcher, FTP legacy, or any of those tabs, and you wanna either search for the modpack. Let's say I wanna download all the mod stands. I can just click here and click OK, and wait. It opens this tab. Some of the mod packs don't have all the mods installed inside of them. So what you want to do is you want to, it's gonna show you, open this box up. You don't want to skip it. You want to go open missing. It's gonna open the mod in a separate tab, and then you wanna wait until all of them are downloaded. Some of the time it's gonna open multiple tabs, so you just want to go through each tab and make sure it's downloaded. Prism already knows where they are, so it can grab them automatically. And then you guys make sure after all of the open missing button is grayed out and everything is green, you guys press OK. Once it finished downloading, you guys can go and launch the mod pack, or you can yet again go to edit, and let's say I want to add some custom stuff. Let's say I want to add more mods to the mod pack. What I can do is I can go to mods, so I can go to download mods, and then I can search. Let's say I want to download, Junkie. By the way, if you're downloading additional mods to a mod pack, sometimes the mod pack has all the mods configured in a certain way, so it might not work correctly. But let's say you want to download Chunky. Chunky is a mod that lets you preload chunks. You can select Chunky and cubes without borders, which let me play borderless. I have those two selected. Now I can press review and confirm, and I can press OK once I'm happy with the selection. It's downloading those two mods, and I have those two additional mods. I can press resource pack and then download resource packs. Let's say I want to download, I don't know, fresh animations, bare bones, let's say both of those. Review and confirm, press OK. I have those two installed. Let's say I want to download some shaders. Let's say I want to download Photon. I can download shaders. I can even look at the words inside here, so I can back them up and add the files without even looking. I can edit the screenshots from here. I can add the name, addresses of servers from here. Yet again, I can tweak with the Java settings. And once I'm ready to launch, I can just double click, and hopefully it should open the mod pack. Yeah, okay. I downloaded Chunky but without the correct mod, so some mods need dependencies, so yeah, I downloaded Chunky borders and not Chunky. Downloaded the wrong mod, but that's fine. But yeah, I can relaunch it again. Hopefully this time it should work better. And there you go. As you can see, modpack has launched. You can also look behind the log. If it crashes or something, you can look at the log and see what error, and it should work fine. Thanks for watching. If you guys run into any errors, please let me know down in the comments, and good luck.